today I'm going to introduce to you the Weruva Cats in the Kitchen grain-free wet cat food. So I have a cat, obviously, and my cat is very picky, has a very sensitive stomach, and this food really works out great for that, basically. I'm also trying to be really health conscious. I'm a good cat mom, and I definitely want to feed my cat some good ingredients, and I feel like it deserves that, you know? So there are a lot of different flavors with this company, but Goldilocks, haha, like this one that I'm showing you here, and it's also her favorite flavor out of all of the different flavors, but I'm sure your cat will choose their own favorite. It's also chicken and salmon recipe, so land and sea. And I heard about it from my sister, who also has a cat, and her cat really liked it, so I decided why not try it with mine. So it is this gooey brown color. I've opened it here, and it's got like pieces of salmon and chicken kind of in it, and you can definitely see that here. And I feed her half in the morning and half at night, and it's very pungent fish smell, so I wouldn't like hang out around her food bowl anyway, but I keep that in mind. You know, canned food lasts a very long time, but I think this one, I just bought this pack. I buy a lot at once, but I buy about 24 at a time. It's pretty lightweight. It's about 6 ounces here per like can, and it has a lot of ingredients in it, but you'll be able to see that it's not, you know, very chemically, or I know that's not a word. Crude protein. This one has chicken broth and chicken, boneless, skinless breast, tuna, salmon, sunflower seed oil, and all of this fun stuff. Fish oil, locust bean gum, you know, all this stuff. There's even vitamin D3 in here, and folic acid, vitamin B12 supplement. So it comes with all these vitamins, and that's always a plus because it really helps like a balanced, nutritious dish. And what I also like is that they use cage-free chicken, so it's not just, you know, another chicken that's been in some kind of factory, but it is free range, and it's a boneless chicken. It's also boneless salmon with fish oil, vitamins, and antioxidants, no grains, gluten, no MSG, you know, so all of that is really nice. No OGMs, no carrageenan, no corn, no soy, no wheat, or any artificial colors or preservatives. It's basically really high quality stuff. I used to buy this cheap dry food that I got, you know, at any supermarket, and she just couldn't really digest it. And so it's just really nice to have something like this for her, because she deserves it. She's my pet. And this flavor has a yellow wrapper, as you can see, but all the flavors have different colors, and that's how you can tell them apart. And they come in these cans that you can just open with your finger here. You latch onto it. There's my demonstration. So Weruva is a family-owned company for over 10 years. It was founded by David and Stacy Foreman, and they really put their effort into making food that is healthy for your cat and just really good quality products. So if you have a cat, definitely check this out. If you're planning on getting a cat, I would check them out too. Thanks so much for watching.